Hi, Sean Bells with Pain Relief Massage, and today I want to talk to you about the 5 qualities you should look for when picking your next massage therapist. Okay, so quality 1, make sure they are licensed by the state they are in. Okay, so in New York State, I was required to have 1,000 hours of continuing education, or not continuing education, 1,000 hours of education before taking my board's examination for licensure. Okay, and then after that, every 3 years, I'm required to take 38 hours of continuing education, which I usually do about 100 every 3 years or more, just because I want to make sure I provide that value to all my clients. But somebody that's licensed, you don't know where their education is when it comes to working on the body. And again, you don't know what type of massage you're going to get from somebody that's unlicensed. So you always want to protect yourself by making sure that whatever establishment that therapist works in is that they are licensed, okay? And then quality number 2, you want to make sure that they are taking a thorough intake form. Now, why is that important? Is because during a massage, there might be some areas on your body that are contraindicated that can make your condition worse. Or if you have any type of skin conditions, that sometimes that can be transmittable. Okay, so you always want to be forthright and upcoming with your therapist before a session. Okay, especially say if you have an area that's more swollen or has a lot of inflammation. Massage can actually make things worse. All right, so you want to be forthcoming with what type of medications, maybe medical conditions that you have, so that your therapist doesn't make anything worse. We always want to make things better. Okay, so another thing, quality number 3 is you want to make sure that you guys are effectively communicating. All right, because that's always important. Because say if you tell your therapist, your therapist is beating you up so much, right? And you want them to go lighter, but they're not going lighter, they're going even more deeper, they're not listening to you, then that's probably something that's probably gonna be the only visit you go to with that massage therapist. All right, so you wanna make sure that both therapists and yourself are effectively communicating your needs, okay? And also, before picking your therapist, number 4 important quality is you're seeing a therapist that's gonna serve you the best, all right? So what are you looking for when you get a massage? Are you looking for pain relief? Are you looking for relaxation? Are you looking for like more of a sports therapy, or whatever you're looking for? Always convey what you're looking for to whoever you're talking to, whether that's going to be a front desk person of a spa or a franchise, or to the therapist you're booking an appointment. Make sure that you're pretty clear about what you want. All right, do you want like straight up just neck work and upper back work the entire session? Do you want, maybe your hips are bothering you, so maybe you just want your hips and legs worked on? That communication is important, but make sure that the therapist that you pick is pretty good with that stuff. Like if somebody comes to me for solely relaxation, I know there's way better therapists out there that do that type of work. I do some relaxation, but I'm more based in the medical aspect of my career field, where I'm doing more deeper work, more neuromuscular, more medical-based type of techniques in my massage. So I probably wouldn't be the best Swedish relaxation massage therapist for you. So, quality number 4, make sure that they are exactly what you're looking for in massage, what you need, all right? Because we all work a little bit differently. So especially with my work, you can check out my website. I have all kinds of examples of things that I do in my career, in my job as a massage therapist. But you always want to make sure that you're connecting with the right massage therapist, all right? And you also want to make sure that you're getting results. Now, this one is more for the medical-based stuff. If you're seeing a massage therapist, or any therapist in general, right, for say a neck issue, back issue, whatever issue you may have, right? What I generally tell my clients is I see them for that initial appointment, and I always set them up for a follow-up appointment. And generally at the follow-up appointment, I generally tell my clients I'd like to see them every 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever is in the treatment plan, okay? If I feel like, we can work this problem out a lot faster, sometimes I have people come in twice a week. Sometimes I have them come in weekly to resolve their issue a lot faster. Sometimes people can't work that in their budget or their schedule, so I tell people, okay, maybe once a week or every other week as needed. But I always give people a treatment plan, because I want to see them get better. And a lot of times seeing my clients get better is through consistency, all right? But I like seeing results. When that client comes back, I ask, okay, what worked, what didn't work? Do you feel a little less pain symptoms? What do you feel differently? I hear a lot of stories from a lot of my clients that they've gone to that therapist or that doctor or this person, and they would see them for years and without any type of tangible result. I usually tell people I can see results within 3 to 5 sessions. 3 to 5 sessions, if we don't see any baby steps of progress, no progress whatsoever, I'm not going to waste people's time. So, sometimes maybe the work I do is not effective for the work you're looking for. Maybe my type of massage is not effective for that person. Maybe somebody else's therapy will be better for that person. So sometimes I am not the most effective therapist for that person. Sometimes I am the most effective therapist for that person. It just depends, but I don't like to string people along. I never do that in my practice. So if you're in for your 4th or 5th session and I haven't seen any progress whatsoever, then I refer out to either a therapist I think that would do really good, or I would refer out, or I would tell them to go see their doctor because they might have an issue that even PT or any other therapy can't get to. Maybe they need to talk to their doctor, have a specialist look at whatever is bothering them. So you want to make sure that you're getting some type of value and results for the massage that you're going to get. Okay, but hopefully that helps out a little bit on what you should look for when you look for another massage therapist, and hopefully you found it informative. Thank you very much.